Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this Kato v11 double track set. So let's get right into it. Let me just open the latch on the side so I can get it out. This is kind of difficult with one hand, but I'll make it work. This guys. Okay, there we go. Let's just toss the box to the side. And yeah, this is what we got. Alright, so let's start with the small stuff. We've got a re-railer. I think there's maybe not. Oh, yeah. There's I can't think of the word for it. To take the, okay, never mind. So, we'll start with the small piece of the track. This is, let me see what it says on the box. It's a 4 7/8 inch piece of straight track. Just a regular piece of straight track. A 2 7/16 inch dual feeder. That's what it looks like, and you plug the wires in the bottom. Another one that's not a feeder, just so it matches up. 2 wires to go to 2 separate power packs, which is nice, so you don't have to buy them. Alright, and then in here we've got 6 pieces of 9 3/4 inch straight track. So that's pretty nice. And then in this one, we've got the curve track, the super elevated curve track. This is the outside track is 19-degree radius and the inside is 15-degree. And there is 2, 4, 6, 8 of those. Sorry about that. Yeah, so there's 8 of those. And then we've got the lead-ups. There's 2 pieces of track on each of these. One goes on the left side and one goes on the right side. So you can take these apart and you put this one on the left side of it and this one on the right side of it. I'll show you all that in a second. So you get 8 of those, because there's 2 on each of these pieces of track. So, yeah, that's pretty nice. Let me go into a room with enough space to set this up. So, I'll be right back. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.